Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy cold Tuesday night. Check it out. Look what I found in my front porch. It is my candle day haul. No Zodiac yet. Hopefully they'll come tomorrow. I'm actually probably going to stay home tomorrow because the weather is supposed to be really bad here in Northeast Ohio. I'll be going to body care today, but not Bath and Body Works. I did get 4 of the Zodiacs today, so we're going to be talking about those tomorrow. But right now, I want to share with you. Check it out. Oh my gosh, let me spin the tape off. Candle Day. This is one of my orders. I got multiples. I'm actually going to save a bunch of these. I want to get my mother-in-law like 6 or 7 candles for Christmas this year. She loves the Bath & Body Works candles. So this is actually a lot. This is 11. We're going to start digging in. You ready? Oh my gosh. I'm going to be throwing a lot of boxes here. Oh my gosh. I can't open it. There we go. I'm like, what's wrong? Okay, number 1. This is for Lenny. Check it out. Oh, by the way, Lenny is home from his surgery. He texted me. He's like, I'm going to go lay down. So he may be laying down for a while, but he's home. I'm so happy. So almond croissant. This sold out early. Oh, this is so good. Toasted almonds, vanilla glaze, and flaky croissant. That will be for Lenny. Okay, candle number 2. A lot of these are repeats. I got a second coffee and donut. This one's going in my mother-in-law's pile. A rainy Saturday with a warm French roast and glazed donut pastry. Yeah, so I'm going to set those over here. Okay. My mother-in-law, by the way, I did a little short the night of my party. She was the first one on there talking about the cucumber, not the cucumber, the pickle candle. Pizza and ranch. I'm not even going to smell it. I am not going to offend my nose by sniffing this again. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I haven't decided. I'm not doing it tonight, you guys. Oh, hot fudge drizzle. These are a little bigger box, I think. These are the Sunday Fun Days. There we go. Oh, I lost the lid. There we go. I might give her this one. She loves chocolate. We'll have to see. She'll have to fight me for that one. I'll probably give her one. I got one. Okay, next up we have sugared waffle cone. Boy, these are hard to get out. Okay, there we go. My box got all messed up. Sugared waffle cone. I like this one. This was the last one that was actually left at my store. Okay, I think I have more Sunday Fun Day. Now, what's this? This is... Oh, Snow Day! I'm so happy my Snow Day is back. Remember mine was cracked? Oh, that is so good. Spruce branches, peppermint, vanilla, and sweet vanilla. She's not getting my Snow Day. I'm keeping my Snow Day. That one's mine. Let's see here. Boy, I feel like I'm doing a lot of work tonight on these. Okay, next up. Oh, peppermint marshmallow. I could gift a peppermint marshmallow. I have one. Crushed peppermint, fluffy marshmallow, and powdered sugar. Okay, this is fun. This is such a relaxing thing to do. Okay, next up we have, Neapolitan ice cream. I gotta save this one for summer. I'm almost done with my Neapolitan ice cream, by the way. This is so good. I hope you got this one, you guys. That one's really good. Okay. Next up is, try and open this one. Hopefully my butterscotch swirl gets here soon. Oh, this is my Magic in the Air. I'm so happy I got this one. With the pretty lid, Magic in the Air. Yeah, that smells good. This one is the Sparkling Persimmon, White Iris, and Whipped Vanilla Bourbon. I'm so happy I got one with the happy lid. Look at that! The snowflake. I wish I'd gotten more of these. Those are nice. They were sold out in my store. I wanted to get the Moonlit Goddess. Okay, you ready? Oh, gosh. This one is glazed cherries. They're so hard to open. Oh, I have a mess. I think I might give that to my mother-in-law. Give her a glazed cherry. And I have one more in that box, and then I have another box. This one is, are you ready? Oh my gosh. I'm having so much trouble. Oh, this is the gummy candies. I haven't smelled this one yet. I think I smelled it in the store. Look how pretty this is, by the way. This looks gorgeous. I think I only have one of these. Pineapple gummy candy, lemon juice, and sugar sprinkles. Oh, it's more lemon. It smells so good. I wish I'd gotten into their gummy candy. That smells good. Okay, so we got gummy candy. Butterscotch is on the way. Okay, so what is in here, you may ask? I got the red bow candle. Let me open this up and see. Ah, come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Got it. Okay, so they come in a box, and then the lid is separate. Boy, I'm having trouble with packaging today. Okay, so here's the candle. It's the Perfect Christmas, which always smells really good. And then we have the lid, which is packaged separately. And say that was the only thing that was in the box. They sent that separately. Go figure. I'm like, okay. Send it separately. Oh my God. I got it out. There we go. Okay. So, yes, I have the bow candle. This one is the fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, and toasted marshmallow. Smells amazing. Okay, so now I have both of these. I'm going to keep these. I have one from last year. I think I have 'Tis the Season. Look at these. These are so pretty. So I'm glad I got both of these for Christmas. So anyway, that was my first online haul. I have one, I don't know, I got a couple more hauls. I think I may have accidentally over-ordered Butterscotch Swirl and the pickle. But that's okay. It's okay because I'm going to be gifting those. Yeah, I'm super happy with the ones I got. Candle Day! Yay! I actually enjoyed Candle Day this year, so it was a lot of fun. We got more to do. We got Body Care Day coming up. Anyway, that was my haul. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.